Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants and certain other organisms transform light energy into chemical energy. During photosynthesis, energy from the sun can be used to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose, which then can be used to produce energy in the form of ATP.
During photosynthesis, there are two stages, the photostage and the synthesis stage. The photostage includes photosystem 2, cytochrome complex, ATP synthase, and photosystem 1. It begins with photosystem 2. Here, the sun's light is absorbed by chlorophyll, which is a green pigment that absorbs energy to create an electron. This electron then travels to the cytochrome complex and is replaced by a new electron made by the separation of water. After the electron travels to the cytochrome complex, its high energy is used to move hydrogen atoms through the complex to the thylakoid. Here, the hydrogen ions are moving from a low to high concentration.
These hydrogen ions then feel the need to travel through the cell membrane. Since they are too big to move by themselves, they need the help of ATP synthase. This allows them to move through and around the membrane, causing the synthase to spin. This spinning creates kinetic energy, which is used to create ATP from the ADP and additional phosphate. Next is photosystem 1. It's similar to photosystem 2 but has a few differences. This system uses the sun to absorb energy to charge the electron that is in it. After being charged, this electron leaves in order to create NADPH with the help of hydrogen, the electron, and NADP. This electron is then replaced by the electron that helped power the cytochrome complex. This cycle is continuously repeated during photosynthesis.
The second stage of photosynthesis is a synthesis stage. The main purpose of the stage is to make glucose, and to do so it uses the equation 6 water plus 6 carbon dioxide, which makes glucose, and 6 oxygen. The water is broken down to make electrons, and the carbon dioxide is a source of carbon used to make glucose. When glucose is produced, it is used as a source of energy, and the oxygen produced is a byproduct from splitting the water.